Hello guys, today I am going to make this dog from a snake cube. So let's get started. First we will make this dog into a line. Now let's get started. Move the end piece to face like upper triangle and then do two moves on it. Then count two blocks from it and like here 1 and 2 and move the third one. Now move the next the fourth one and now count the two blocks from the third one, 1 2, and now move the next one. Then count four blocks and move the fifth one. Count two blocks from it and move the count two blocks from it and move the third one. Then count three blocks from it and move the fourth one. Then count two blocks from it and move the third one, and then move the next to the third one, and then finally we will move the tip two times. Now this makes our dog.